Welcome to LightWare, your trusted partner in advanced LiDAR sensor technology. Keeping your microLiDAR sensor or laser rangefinder updated ensures you have the latest features and performance enhancements. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update the firmware on your microLiDAR sensor, using the SF000B model as an example. Let's get started. Step 1. Open LightWare Studio. LightWare Studio is the configuration tool you'll use to manage your sensor settings and updates. If you have not downloaded LightWare Studio on your computer yet, you can download it from lightwarelidar.com. Go to the Resource Center section at the top of the page and select LightWare Studio. Download the version of LightWare Studio for the computer you work on. LightWare Studio is available for Mac, Windows, or Linux operating systems. Once the installation has finished, go ahead and open LightWare Studio. Step 2. Connect the LightWare LiDAR device to your computer. Once you have connected the LightWare LiDAR device to your computer, the device will be ready for selection. Step 3. Check for updates. Once you have connected to your device, an information page will be displayed. If your device does not have the latest firmware version, you will see a banner at the top of the page prompting you to upgrade. Here, you'll see whether a firmware update is available for your device. Step 4. Start the firmware update. To start the firmware upgrade, select the Upgrade button from the menu on the left of the screen. Here you will see the version of firmware currently installed on your device, as well as the latest versions available to install. The section below the version number shows the incremental features added and fixes applied to the selected version of firmware. Start the automatic upgrade by clicking on the Install button. Confirm the instruction to proceed with the firmware upgrade by clicking OK on the configuration page. The firmware will then be installed on your device. Once the firmware installation is completed, you will see a confirmation page. You may close the confirmation page by clicking on the OK button. Step 5. Reconnect to your device. As before, click on the device you want to connect to. You will now notice that the firmware version of your device matches the latest available version. And that's it. Your distance sensor is now running the latest firmware. Keeping your sensor up to date helps ensure optimal performance and functionality. Thank you for choosing LightWare.